With me, of course, the Consul General of India helping to launch this Indian Film Festival in Houston.
When the organizers of this first ever Indian International Film Festival in Houston approached me and briefed me as to what they have in mind and what their plans are, I felt they have a good idea, they have a good initiative, and I'm very happy to support it. And they requested me to host this curtain raiser this evening. I said yes, this is a good idea, and I'm very delighted to have all of them and several other invitees at my residence this evening. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sutapa Ghosh. I'm the founding chairman of the Indian Film Festival of Houston and also the director of the festival. We are having a launch at the Consul General of Houston's house today. It's the launch for the Indian Film Festival of Houston, which is going to be through 21st of September till 26th of September. I welcome you all to participate in the festival. We have great movies and great, guests from Bollywood for the gala. And we hope to see you all. Thank you.
Hi there, my name is Burton Wolf. I'm the president of Worldwide Stage, and we're working on the first annual film festival, Indian Film Festival of Houston. It's a very exciting event on the heels of Slumdog Millionaire and the other Bollywood films. I think all of Houston is real excited about this event. September the 21st through the 26th with a major gala, a Bollywood-type gala on the 26th. So we hope you all come and see the stars. There are wonderful stars being flown directly from India here for this event. Hope to see you all.
Hi, my name is Lawrence Wong. I'm a Director of Operations of Worldwide Stage, and we are helping to put this Indian Film Festival of Houston 2009 together. And we actually very excited about this event. And Houston is such a multicultural metropolitan city. We have a great number of Indian population here, and we really are very excited, to be involved with this event.
Hello, I'm Ellen Goldberg, and I'm working with Sutapa and the group on the Indian Film Festival of Houston. It's a very exciting thing because it will not just be for Indians, though we hope to have many of them there, but it will be for mainstream Americans and Houstonians as well. Since Slumdog Millionaire, a lot of people have gotten interested in Indian films. This one will be good because we'll have regional films as well as the typical ones that you see. These will be extraordinary films. We'll have documentaries as well and shorts as well. So we hope you come. You can enjoy the food from the region, and you can enjoy entertainment from the region as well.
With me, the always looking lovely Carl Parr. Welcome to this launch of the Indian Film Festival. Tell us your thoughts. Houston is ready for a film festival. What are your thoughts?
Well, I'm very excited to be a part of it. It's time that we bring Bollywood to Texas with the opening of this new fabulous hotel and all of the people that will come here. We have such a large Indian community that is very supportive across the board with many projects in our city, and I'm very honored to serve as one of the honorary chairs. Having done an event last year for UNICEF, Mystique of India, which funded a lot of programs benefiting women and children in India.
How do you always manage to look so lovely?
I love the style of your country, and I feel like it's important to pay homage to this style and tradition, and it's kind of fun. It's all make-believe. That's why you have to come to the festival. It's fulfilling the dream.
I'm Ruchi Mukherjee for TV Asia, and I'm here at the launch of the Indian Film Festival in Houston. And of course, when I say Indian Film Festival, the person that comes to my mind is Ratna Kumar. I know she's laughing, but that's a fact. Ratnadi, welcome to TV Asia.
Thank you very much. It's an honor to be back here.
Indian Film Festival, I just thought about you, and what are your thoughts? Because you have been bringing so much culture to the city, and how you feel is the city ready for this festival?
Absolutely. Actually, I used to be a child actress on the silver screen. So it seems like we've come full circle. This time, of course, thanks to Danny Boyle and Slumdog Millionaire, Bollywood is such a buzzword, and I'm sure it's a word in the dictionary now, and everyone is so ready to watch Indian films, to do Indian dancing, and people are, India, Indian, Bollywood, these are all of them, everything is synonymous with Bollywood now, everything Indian, and I think that this is perhaps, the time is right for such an event, and I think it's going to be very successful.
Houston, of course, is culturally so vibrant, so active, but there doesn't seem to have been ever a festival devoted exclusively to Indian films. Is fairly old, Indian cinema and Indian film industry. I think from 1930s or even before, it has been one of India's global ambassadors. And the outreach of Indian cinema, both within our country and across the world, has only increased with time.
But what I did want to tell you is I had the privilege during the mission, if you will, on the journey of commemorating Martin Luther King's 50th visit or the 50th year to go to the Bollywood Oscars. So I may be the one in this room, sure the Council General and someone else that wants to challenge me, get ready for an exquisite experience. And I hope as co-chairs we'll have all the red carpets and all of the excitement that was there, the sparkle, the glimmer, and when these handsome artists, actors came in, the crowd went wild. I thought I was, as they say, one of the hanger-ons, or what do you call it, the people who are running out the autographs. You have the aficionados of art here. You have the icons of Houston's art community, lovers of the art, and I know that they are ready to give me my instructions and give Judge Emmett your instruction to make this the most glittering Indian festival in the nation and around the world. How about that? I yield to Judge Emmett.